my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it, because those two things really help my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine because I feel like I now have like a gold medal winning skincare routine. It is just like the best one that I've ever had. And I know how amazing it feels when your skin is glowing and beautiful, and I want you guys to feel the exact same way, because you know how much more confident I feel when my skin is clear and I can just walk outside with no makeup on? I feel like $1,000,000. So that is why I'm going to be sharing with you the 4 products that I have now implemented into my skincare routine that have made all the difference in only 2.5 weeks. And I got a little secret, but it's gonna be at the end of the video, so make sure you stay to the end of the video to watch. So before we get into this, I just want to put a little disclaimer out there that what works for my skin might not work for your skin. We have different skin needs and goals, so I want you to grab a pen and paper, or you can use your phone, whatever is accessible to you, and I want you to write down a couple skincare goals. So that could be having smaller pores, or clearing your acne, having more glowy skin, maybe preventing aging, maybe you got some dark spots, whatever it might be. I want you to write down some skincare goals that you have, because that is the first step to knowing what you want your skincare regimen to be. So the first thing that I do in my skincare routine is I start off by washing my hands, because it makes no sense to be putting dirty hands and you're trying to clean your face. Like, it just doesn't make sense. After I'm done washing my hands, then what I do is I take some water on my hands and I kind of pat it onto my face. Like, you don't want your face to be dripping. You just kind of want to like have that nice refreshing feeling. To me, I feel like it's opening my pores. I don't know if scientifically that's a thing or not, but in my brain that's what kind of goes through it. Then after putting the water on my face, I like to take the Vivier medicated wash with salicylic acid. This basically will kind of like take all the gunk and junk out of your pores. It'll kind of like, whoop, garbage, goodbye, which will in the end help fight acne. And with the salicylic acid, it'll also help fight some redness on your face, which I've got. This wash is pH balanced, which means you won't need to use a toner, so you know, it's a 2-in-1. Now, I'm not gonna go in and just kind of like scrub it all over my face and wash it off. What I like to do is actually take one pump in my hand and then I apply it to my face equally, and I actually just leave it on my face for 2 to 5 minutes. This will basically reduce the size of pores. It's like a quick little face mask, basically. Once the 2 to 5 minutes is up, I then wash it off and then I pat my face dry. The next step in my routine is using a serum. So I'm going to be using the Vivier Serum 10. This serum will help brighten your skin and reduce the look of dark spots. It also helps with redness in the skin, and it'll give you that all-around glow because it has vitamin C in it, which vitamin C is like your skin's best friend if you want to look glowy and cute and bright. This serum will also help decongest your pores, which in the end will help you with your acne. What I like to do with my serum is I actually just take the little dropper thing and I put like probably 3 to 5 drops in my palm. I do not want to touch that dropper to my face, because if you have any dirt on your face, then you're basically contaminating the dropper, which is contaminating the bottle. So kind of defeats the purpose. So I just like to take a few drops into my palm, and then I take it from my hand and then I do some circular motions, and then once there's really like nothing left in my palm, then I kind of like rub my hands together and I pat my face, because that will just kind of get the rest off my hands and also, you know, kind of sets it into your skin. So you're gonna want to wait a minute or 2 before you apply the next skincare product so that the pores can digest what's going on, and then you apply the next thing, so you make sure that you get the most out of your skincare products. So the next step in my skincare routine is a moisturizer. So I will be using the SkinCeuticals Triple Liquid Restore Moisturizer. This product will help hydrate the skin but won't leave your pores clogged or feeling greasy, which is so important with a moisturizer, because if you're like me and you have oily skin, the worst thing that you can do for your skin is to apply a greasy and oily, nasty, pore clogging moisturizer, okay? This moisturizer is also very light on the skin. Like, it feels like velvet on your skin. It is amazing. So that is it for my daytime skincare routine. Now we will go and get ready for my nighttime skincare routine. So for my nighttime routine, it is going to be quite similar to my daytime routine, obviously because like I said, there's only 4 products. So I'm going to be adding one more product into my nighttime skincare routine. So let's just get right into it. The first step in my nighttime skincare routine is to remove the makeup that's on my face if I was wearing any. If it was just like a really light BB cream, I won't worry about the steps so much, but if it is a high coverage or medium coverage foundation, I like to go in with some micellar water or makeup wipe just to wipe it off. Then it also doesn't feel like I'm massaging the makeup back into my pores. Once I've removed my makeup, then I'm going to go in and I'm going to take 1 pump of the wash that we used earlier today, and I'm going to lather it up in my hands and lather it on my face. I'm not going to be leaving it on my face as a little mini face mask this time because we're gonna go in and actually do a face mask after. So I'm just going to use this to literally just wash my face and rinse it off and pat my face dry. So the next step, like I said, is we are going to be doing a little face mask. Now this face mask I don't use every single day, but I just wanted to include it in here. I use this face mask probably around 2 to 3 times a week, and I like to keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the timer is up, then you are going to want to just rinse it off and pat your face dry. This product is said to be like a little facial in a jar, like little micro needling, and it's very cool how this face mask works because basically you put it on your skin and your skin is sent into healing mode, which is similar to the whole micro needling experience. This mask will help reduce any appearance of scarring, and it'll also help brighten the skin, and it'll leave your face feeling so glowy and soft and just like skin goals, to be honest. Now this step that I do is sometimes optional. It'll kind of depend. It's more kind of spot treating, but I like to take the serum that we used earlier and I just apply it to the spots that are a little bit, you know, needing some extra help. I don't do this all the time. It's just if there's like a little pimple action that's going on, that, you know, get out kind of thing. Then once I've waited a few minutes for that serum to set in, I will go back in with my moisturizer because it is important to moisturize your skin. Then once I'm done applying my moisturizer, that's it. That's my morning and night skincare routine. Now if you've stayed to the end here, you are going to hear my secret. Are you ready? So, my secret is to stop buying from Sephora. It doesn't always work. I have been trying to find a skincare regimen that works for my skin as well as this has from Sephora, and it did not happen, okay? I have spent like probably thousands of dollars trying to figure out a good skincare routine for me when I literally could have saved probably thousands of dollars and just asked a dermatologist. My whole skincare routine is based off of what my dermatologist told me. I just messaged her. I know COVID's going on right now, so I just messaged her. I said, look, I am in need of a new skincare routine. Sephora is not cutting it for me, and I just want expert advice to make sure that my skin is looking the best it possibly can, because for me, what my face looks like is very important to me, and I know that might sound like very selfish or whatever it might seem to other people, but it's just important to me. It makes me feel confident, it makes me feel good inside, and at the end of the day, that's what really matters. It does not matter what anybody else thinks of me spending money on like expensive skincare. If it's in my budget and it's gonna make me feel better about myself, I'm gonna do it. But for real, if you ask a dermatologist, you are going to get like better results faster because those ingredients that are in the skincare stuff they recommend for you is like pharmaceutical and medical grade, so it's more effective. The products you're buying from Sephora are literally just gonna sit on the top of your skin, while the medical grade stuff is going to get into the deeper layers of your skin. But like I said, if it's in your budget, go for it, do it. If you are spending money on Tatcha stuff, girl, you're gonna be just fine over here buying the medical grade stuff. It's expensive, but in the end, it's worth it because it lasts so much longer than like any of the things that I buy from Sephora, because I have to use so much more from Sephora to get the result that I'm looking for, when I can literally just use a pea-size amount of medical grade stuff and it works just as well. So yes, when you look at it, it's going to be pricey, but in the end, it's probably going to last you a month or 2 or maybe even 3, depending on the size of your jars. But I don't know, you just kind of have to weigh the pros and cons. Is it worth it to you? Is it not? That's just my personal secret. I have switched and I don't think I'm ever going to go back because I see the difference it's making in my skin, and I am so impressed and just like so happy with what my skin's looking like. Rant done. I'm so sorry if that comes across as very like, after this long rambling ending. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more awesome videos from me, you can hit the subscribe button or also just check out my channel. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!